Hello to you guys. Good evening. I hope each and everyone in this platform is doing good. Well, I'm also doing good. But tonight, we are going to learn how to design a flyer or a poster, an interview poster or social media poster, something like that. And it is going to be an interview, a radio station or TV station interview. So make sure you have your pixelLab on your smartphone. And as usual, if you enter or you press on the pixelLab, this is how you are going to see the appearance or the interface of the pixelLab. So we are going to, you will press on the top here, the three dots on the right hand side of the top. You press on it, then you will see the image size that we are going to use. You press the image size. You see we are going to use aspect ratio 1:1, which is going to be the costume ratio, which is the width is 1280 and the height too is 1280, which is a square. So this is the ratio we are going to use. So let's start. But before that, we will change the color, because this color is not nice for the. If you want to get a color for the background of your design, you need to see down there we have 3 square mix up. We have one thing there, we have 2 square together mixed together, and we have the, so you need to press on the 2 square together like this. Then you will see color, you see transparent, you see image size. So you need to type on the color. We have gradient, we have normal color, and we have gradient. So we are not going to use gradient, we are going to use color. The gradient is mixture of colors, and the color itself is a normal color. If it is 1, it is 1. So we are going to use this one. This one we are going to use. You will choose any color you want, either yellow, red, green, blue, orange. But we are going to use this specific color. So now we have gotten our background color. What do we have to do? Press on the top here, the plus sign. You see text, current date, stickers, shapes, from gallery, draw. So you have to text. You will want to write your text. So you tap on the text. Then on down here you see the A sign. You press on the A. Then you see stars. You see edit. Press on edit. It will allow you to edit your text and you write what you want. So the program title should be Let's Talk About Our People's Needs. So after getting it like this, you have to reduce it to some level. But with the reduction, you can normally come to the size here. When you come to the size, you have plus sign, minus sign. The plus sign will increase the size of the text, and the minus sign will reduce the size of the text. But if you want it simple, you press on the dot here on the text, and it will, if you enlarge it, it will enlarge. If you decrease it like it will decrease normal for you. So we want to change the font size. So we now come flip here, down here, flip it to the left hand side, you will see AB. AB is the font styles. So which one are we going to use? You can upload. We have normal font size. This is a normal one, or the one automatic one the system have given to, the pixelLab system have given to. But the one I downloaded myself from online, that one is my font. So you press on my phone. This ones, it wasn't when I downloaded the application, it wasn't there. I'm the very one who downloaded it from internet and I upload it to the system. So we have Montserrat Bold 1. That is what I'm going to use. So I've chosen Montserrat Bold 1. I need to decrease it somehow. So this one, I think is okay. Now what do I have to do? I have to copy it, because the simple way you can rewrite another text is to copy the current text you have. So you have to see down here, we have copy. You press on it, it will give you another, it will duplicate it. So you have to press on the edit, then you edit your words and you write the new ones you want. So I'll write Concomba, because the program is going to, the interview is going to be done in Concomba. So I'll write Concomba program. But I want it to be what? In capital letters. So I need to, here on top here, you see 2T, small t and a big T. So if you press like this, it will become big capital letters. If you press again, it will do become small letters. So that is the function of that thing there. I need to bring bracket open and bracket close like this. Now I want that letters to be more appealing. So what I have to flip down and come to what? Stroke. When you give each of your letters or shape a stroke, they look more colored and attractive. So which stroke am I going to use? Am I going to use red, black? I'm going to use black. If you increase your stroke, if you increase, that is how it is going to look. If you decrease it, so I'm going to use, let's say 6 or 8. Now what do I have to do next? I have to come and write again. Go to the text again, write something in my language or the language we are going to do the interview. Nana Jim. So I'll write Nana Jim in the local dialect. Now I'm going to use another new font for this, and this one is going to be Meme font. Meme font. That one looks more deeper, so I have to increase it somehow. Then I change the color to yellow. I have to change the color to yellow. Then now I have to come down, go to color box. Then I flip to get yellow color. As soon as I get yellow color, what do I have to do? I have to look for a shape. So the same way, I'll have to press on the top plus here. Then I'll see shapes. I'll press on the shapes. I've gotten one square. So that square, I can reduce it to any way I like. So I've reduced it. I have to reduce it. If you want to increase, so I will reduce it to something like this. So now I have to copy the yellow letters or words and then rewrite something again. But I want to write exclusive interview, so it's exclusive. I'll make sure I'll capitalize it. So now you see the yellow, if it is in this white box, it will not look attractive. So I have to change the color of the attractive or the exclusive to the color of the background. Now you can see, as you can see. So now what do I have to do? I have to press on the plus sign on the top, get a shape again, then I make sure I reduce the shape, but first I have to write with who. The interview is going to be with who is going to be the guest. So I have to get my guest name. I have to move the width here down to this side and make sure it become bold. Go to the fonts, then you place on the bold like this. It is almost bold, but that one it will be white. I will leave it to be white. Now who is going to be on my interview? It's going to be a musician. Who? But this one is going to be a parliamentarian or a minister. So I have to make sure that I change the color of my square or the shape to something yellow again. Now I have to write the name of the person, the guest, inside this yellow square or shape. That is going to be Honorable Stephen Pambin Jalula. Because it's large, I have to decrease it. I already told you earlier that you can use the down here size to reduce it, or you can use the text itself. If you press on the text like this, you put your hand on it, you enlarge it, it will enlarge. If you reduce it, decrease it, it will decrease. Or you go and use the normal reduction. Because the box or the shape is yellow and the letter is also yellow, if I should put the words or the letter into the shape, it will not be seen. The letter will vanish. So what I have to do is to change the color of the letters to you see. So now I have to go and get the image of the person or the guest to appear. So now I have to press on the top side, the left hand side, the plus sign again. Then from there you come to the down part, you see from gallery. If you press on it, it will automatically send you to the gallery and you select the picture you want. So here the pictures are printed, but I have several folders and I know where my picture or the picture I want to store. So on the left hand side, I will see 3 lines near to the recent. I'll press on it. It will give me my folders. So I have photos down here, photos. So I have to press on the photos. And the photos are stored on download because I downloaded them from internet. So I have to flip down and come and see the picture I want. Now there are a lot of pictures, and this is the Stephen Jalula you are seeing, the Honorable Stephen Jalula. So I have to press on his picture. Now, as he's sitting, I have to change how he's sitting. I have to change and flip it to the other side. Now I've gotten the picture of Stephen Jalula. So now I have to decrease it somehow. I think this way is okay. It's okay. So now I have to write for you to know whom he is. He's an honorable or MP or minister. So which field is he working on? So I have to write it. I have to go to text again. Then I write. He's what? Deputy Minister for Roads and Highways. For roads and highways. For the Republic of what? Of Ghana. And also MP, an MP or Member of Parliament. For Pro West constituency. So after writing, you go to press on the OK. You see, it's big, and it is not making any sense. It's not nice. So I have to decrease it. I have to decrease it to something like this. Then I make sure I come down here, look for the bold, the B. Then I'll press on the B. I'll see the B itself. Press. It will look bold. Now, I have to get the person, the host, who is going to host the program. Then I have to look for that person. So what do I have to do? I have to create another shape again. I have to come and press the plus sign, look for shapes. Then this shape, I have to reduce it and bring it down to cover the picture small. So I'm not done. Now what do I have to do? What I have to do is to change the color of the shape to yellow again. Now I've changed the color to yellow. What is left? I have to create another shape which is going to be circle. So this circle, what I have to do is to press on the plus sign again. Then I have to come to shape. Then if I come to shape, if you look down, you will see box or a square, and then there is a black arrow down. Before you now come and see radius and something like this. So I have to press on that square. I'll get a lot of shapes. So I need circle. This circle, I'll have to leave it white like this. Then I'll go and create another circle again, or better still, what I have to do is to copy this circle or shape. I will just type on the what shape copy, and it will copy. So now as it has copied, I have to, the first one, I have to make it in yellow. I have to change the color to yellow. Yellow. You see, because it has become yellow, it is mixed up with the down shape, the square shape. So what I have to do is to go here and add a shadow to it. The moment I add shadow to it, the end will what? You see, there will be a white color, a black color there, which will differentiate it, and you will see it looking more attractive. Now I have to come to the black the white shape or the white wash circle. Then I flip down here, you will see texture. And if you press on the texture, it means that you want the white shape to be filled with picture. You want to add or put picture inside that white circle. So now if you press on the texture, it will automatically direct you to your gallery, and you select the picture you want. So now I have to go to my shapes, my folder, by pressing the left hand side on the top. There's three lines. If I press on it, it will direct me to my photos. Then from there, I have a lot of folders there. So this is where my picture is, the picture I want to use is stored. So this is the picture. I have to press on the picture like this. Then now if you press on the picture and it's a fill in the circle, you see that the pictures it will be plenty, or it will not be well settled. So what you have to do, you see the appearance, you say maintain ratio, then they will write enable. Then you have to enable it so that the picture will be one, but it will not be multiple pictures inside the circle. So after pressing, you will see that the head down there have gone, and it has remained with the normal picture. So I will reduce the picture small to put or to fix inside the yellow circle. So now I want to combine the yellow circle and the picture together so that it will now be one shape. So what I have to do is to come and place here on top here. So all my things that the shapes and the pictures that I bring is here. So what I have to come is to come to down here, the left side. You will see a Nike sign, and then this time sign or multiple sign. Then I have to press on it. Then I add a shape. I'll have to mark on the both shapes. Where I add the picture and the yellow shape, I'll place like this, place both of them. Then you see the down there, you see delete icon, and then edit icon, then duplicate or merge icon, which is the third one before the Nike. So if I press on that one, it will confirmation will come. Are you sure you want to merge the icon, or you want to put the icons together? The merge is the same as if you want to combine or put them together as one. So if I press OK, it means that my two icons or my two shapes are now the same. They are now put together, so I can move them anywhere or wherever I want. So I have to reduce them or it to this, like this. Then I need to get a host, the name of the host. Then I've now gotten the picture of the host. Well, I now have to what? Get the name of the host. By then, I have to go down top there, place on the plus sign, press text, then edit the name. I have to write host. After writing the host, I have to make sure I change the position. Before then, what I have to do is to make sure I give another shape again. So I have to come to the plus sign, go to shapes, then select another shape. So this is the shape I'm going to use. Down there, the last shape, this is the shape I'm going to use. I will make sure I increase the shape. So now what I have to do is to change the color of the shape to the background color. So I'm to change the color of the shape. So now you see that the color, it has blocked the picture. The shape has blocked the picture. So what I have to do is to place on the picture icon. Then I come down to see, you see delete, crop, copy, front to back. Then if I press on the front, the picture will appear on the front, and the shape, the new shape I'm bringing will go to the back. Have you seen? So that is it. Now what I have to do is I have to reduce the image size, or the host picture size. So I've reduced it like this. Now host, who is going to be the host? I have to change the color of the host to what? To yellow. Yellow. Then I change the font style to font style. Now the font style I will use is Alex Brush Regular. I have to give it a stroke to look appearing. Now I have to come and copy the text, the host text, and come and edit it and write the name of the host of the program. So I have to change, as it is written like this, I have to change the font style to Montserrat Bold 1. So after that, I have to bring it down, reduce the color, reduce the size. Sorry for the inconvenience. So now, you've seen the person who is your interviewer, the person doing the interview. But I don't want this color, the yellow color again. I want to use white color. Now you've seen. So now, what do we have to do? We have to write the date for the interview. We have to write the date for the interview. So, when? Saturday, Saturday 19th Saturday 19th March 19th March is going to be what? The interview date. So because the yellow shape and then the white letter or words, they are not matching, so I have to change the color to the background color. And definitely I have to change the font style too. I have to change the font style to Mimi. And reduce it small too. Then what I have to do is to what? Bold it. I need to bring another shape again. Place on the plus sign top there, go to shapes. Then I've gotten a shape, so I have to reduce it. Bring it here. Then I make sure the shape is the same color with the date. Then I will write the time. Go to the top there, press the sign. Then I edit my text. Write the time. 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. See, white letter cannot be in the white shape, so I have to change the color of the what? The shape to the color for the what? The background. So now, then I'll come and write live on. I have to copy the text, change live on. I have to change the location to this side. Then I'll position it here. Live on. Then I need to still get this shape again. Copy it. Change the location to the down there. Make sure it is well placed. Live on what? Ability TV. Because that is my TV station name. Live on Ability TV. So I have come to write Ability TV. Then I make sure I change the color of the text to what? Yellow. Then I give it what? Font style, which is going to be the meme. Then I bring it inside the box. Make sure I bold it. No, if I bold it, it will not be nice. So now I have to get the logo of my TV station and place it on top of the guest. So what I have to do is to go to the gallery and select a picture and a logo of my TV station. This is a picture. This is the logo of my TV station, Ability TV. With this, I'm done. So guys, after this, what you have to do is to come here. Have you seen on top here? You see the plus sign, and then the second sign you see, the icon you see is the save sign. We have save as project. It means that you are going to save your project. You are going to save it in your what? In your pixelLab. You have to write maybe interview what? Flyer. Then you press OK. It is saved. So when you want to see either if it is saved or not, you have to come and press the first icon down there. You see my project down there. If you press, you see that the things that you have ever what? You have your project that you have ever designed. They are all there. So you see the current one you just designed. is appearing on the top. It's appearing on the top. So if you want to save the image so that it will come inside your gallery, then you go to the save icon on the top here. You see save as project and you see save as image. So you press as save as image. When you see save as image, you come down, you see dimension. Change the dimension from custom to what? Ultra. That one will look more appealing. Then you press save to gallery. Your project is saved to your gallery. So now come to your gallery. You see